Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and I'm Ipshita and thanks for watching my channel. So today I'm here with another video. So today we are going to make some beautiful ice cream shaped pencil box. So this is so cute, isn't it? The shape's like ice cream but it includes so many stationery inside it. I want to eat it. Yeah, this is looking so tempting. So yeah, today we are going to make this. So I hope you like it. So just like the video right now, subscribe to my channel. If you don't know how to subscribe, let me tell you. वीडियो के नीचे जाके एक सब्सक्राइब का बटन होएगा रेड कलर का, उसके ऊपर लिखा होगा सब्सक्राइब. तो आपको उसको क्लिक करना है और उसके साथ में ही नोटिफिकेशन बेल भी होगी, उसको भी दबा देना है. फिर जब भी मैं वीडियो लाऊंगी यू विल गेट ऑल द नोटिफिकेशंस. सो या, विदाउट एनी फर्दर अडू, लेट्स गेट द वीडियो स्टार्टेड.
You say all the right things when I'm hurting. You always pick me up when I am down. It's like you have a spark that leaves me burning. Yeah, you just have your ways to get me high. You make all my dreams come true. It feels right when I'm around you. We could break up and then make up. I always come back to you. You move me in a way never thought anyone could. You get me high. You're my drug when I'm feeling blue. Yeah, it's all you, 'cause you're the one. Yeah, the one. Yeah, you're the one. Yeah, the one. Touch me in a way that makes me shiver. Sometimes I can't believe that you are mine. Love's a gun and baby you're my trigger. You kiss me in a way that gets me high. You make all my dreams come true. It feels right just being around you. We could break up and then make up. I always come back to you. You move me in a way never thought anyone could. You get me high. You're my drug when I'm feeling blue. Yeah, it's all you, 'cause you're the one. Yeah, the one. Yeah, you're the one. Yeah, the one. Yeah, you're the one, babe. Yeah, you're the one. Yeah, you're the one, babe. Yeah, you're the one. Ooh. 'Cause you're the one. Yeah, the one. Yeah, you're the one. Yeah, the one. 'Cause you're the one. Yeah, the one. Yeah, you're the one. Yeah, the one.
You don't forget your first love. We were young and wild, we were up all night. You don't forget that summer sun 2009. We were feeling high, and I got drunk for the first time.